And today we're going to walk through some of the new features on the PureSense iPhone app. We've added a new Charts tab down here at the bottom. Clicking on it will give you a list of a couple of different chart options. We have your default reading chart and a water balance chart, as well as your chart views that were created inside of Irrigation Manager. You can get information on this type of stuff by clicking on the eye, and it gives you the description of your default charts and where chart views come from and how to set them up. If we click on a default reading chart, it's going to cache all the charts for this customer, and here we can see we have the first reading chart. This is chart 1 of 12, and we have the site name right here. We can flip through all the charts that are related to the customer. And if we click on a particular chart, it'll blow up to full screen, at which point we can change the duration: 2-day, 7-day, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year. We also have the option to zoom on these charts. And so if we go back, we can look at a custom chart view, which is we have a climate view here. So same thing, name of the site, number of charts, and we can flip through these until we find the one we want. Open it up, change our time span, and go back. So all those are found under the new chart tab. We've also done a lot of work on the site display pages here. So let's find one with a weather station. Okay, so this site has a weather station, and you'll notice that down here we have the 3 dots indicating that there's more than one page. Right now we're currently on the middle page. So if we slide to the right, we're going to get weather data. So here's all the weather data that's pulled in for this particular site. This probably wasn't a good example. Let's go find another one here real quick. So here we have all the current readings for this site, and the date that they were pulled in last. So these were pulled in today, and these are the current readings as of now. Oops. So at this point, if we slide to the left, we see the landing page with our current water bank at negative 27%. Our pressure switch is on. If we slide to the left, we have the sites associated with the charts associated with the site. So if I click on default reading chart, there's a reading chart for this site. Here's a water balance chart for this site, and all the chart views that I have for this site. Again, these can all be adjusted. And that's how that works. So those are some of the new features that are going to be going into the new beta build for our customers to beta test, which should be coming out shortly today or tomorrow. There is a couple things that need to be optimized. These were just coded over the last week or so. So clicking on these charts needs to be optimized a little bit. Right now it's loading all the charts. What I need to do is have it set to load one chart at a time as you scroll through. The other thing is that these charts, the chart views, are not supported for offline mode. So what's going to happen is when you're on offline mode and you click on one of these charts, you'll be presented with a pop-up that says that you need to go online to view these charts. Click yes, and it goes. Same thing to adjust durations. You need to be online to adjust those durations. Otherwise, we'd have to cache a chart for every site, every chart view, every duration, and it would just cause too much of a bottleneck on the phone. As it is, I think we're going to have to go through some performance tuning at the end because some of the syncs are a little bit slow at this point. So it's still a work in progress, but that's some of the new features that we're implementing today. So you can take a look if you're a beta customer. And that's it. Thanks a lot.